How to fix Instagram message update on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message updates on Android or iOS phone. First, go to Play Store and here make sure here Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here and then click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you can find an update or something like that, then just restart your phone and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then that's it. Close your Instagram and open it again. And if that also doesn't fix it and you have an Android phone, then go to storage, clean some space, and that's it. Clean some space, or you can just clean some space from your gallery, delete some photos and videos. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget like and see you in the next video.